How to use a needle minder. So this is a needle minder, which has a magnet attached at the back. And here there are two magnets that you can separate. Like this. It may look small, but it's a very useful thing. So this is our design. We'll take our needle minder and separate the second magnet at the back like this. Now, place the wooden part over your fabric. You can place it anywhere where you're not stitching. Then take the second magnet underneath the design, and it will automatically attach like this. So now our needle minder is attached to the fabric. Now let me tell you what it's used for. Many times while doing embroidery, we end up losing our needles because they're so small and hard to keep track of. That's when the needle minder comes in really handy. Suppose you're embroidering and suddenly have to go somewhere or take a break. Then you can just keep your needle on this minder, and it will automatically stick to the magnet. Now you can go do your other work without the fear of losing your needle, because it's attached to the minder. And often it happens that we leave needles, and there's a fear that it might prick someone. But when you use a needle minder, your needle stays right there attached. So isn't it such a useful little thing? Now, when you want to remove it from the fabric, it's very easy. Just pull the wooden part, and it will come off. Stick the magnet back on it, and when you're not embroidering, you can use it as a fridge magnet or a badge.